Hi friends. Today I am going to show you how to download and install KB5025239 update in Windows 11. Windows 11 Update KB5025239 is released to address security issues for your Windows operating system. This security update includes improvements that were a part of the recent Windows Update KB5023778 released on March 28, 2023. When you set Windows to custom color mode, the search box under the taskbar shows lighter, which occurs when the Windows mode is set to dark and the app mode to light. Additionally, the latest update, KB5025239, implements the new Windows Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS, and addresses a compatibility issue that arises from unsupported use of the registry. This update also resolves a problem that affects the Notepad combo box in settings, which fails to display all the available options. In order to install this update, click on the Start menu, and then click on Setting. Inside Setting, click on Windows Update. Here you can see that the KB5025239 update for Windows 10 is now available. Now click on Download and Install. It takes several minutes to few hours in downloading and installing this update, depending on the internet speed and speed of your computer. After installation has been done, restart your computer to see the better effect of this update. Now click on the Restart button.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.